guys, welcome to the video. It's spring here in Germany and it's only February. It's got to be about 60 degrees outside and it's very nice. I can wear a t-shirt. Makes me want to drive this, but can't drive it just yet because the insurance is in winter mode until April 1st. So I got about another month to wait before I can take it out and have some fun with it. But I did get it out the other day because I had to clean out the garage. Here's a little clip of me starting it up. So we took the car out so we could clean out the garage. It was a mess with all the trains and everything else. It's still a mess. If you look around, we got a lot of crap in here that we have to go through. But the trains were a big part of it, and we got all those moved and sent off. So we loaded up the van the other day, and here's a quick clip of that. So if you remember about a year ago, the VAVA Dash Cam was the big buzz on YouTube. Every YouTuber was getting one saying, oh, I just got this VAVA Dash Cam, and it got me too. I ended up buying one. I want to try it out. I'm going to throw it in my Jeep. There's been a lot of instances where I'm driving down the road and I see something and I'm like, oh, I wish I had footage of that. The other night I was driving home and there was a shooting star that shot across my Jeep, and I wish I had it on camera because it was very cool. And there's been some other instances, you know, red light flashes from the speed cameras and, you know, just drivers in general being stupid. So I want to be able to capture that stuff and share it with you guys. So I got this dash cam, I'm going to put it in the Jeep, and VAVA, if you're watching, I got 2 more cars, 3, 4, actually we got 6 cars here. But we got a lot of cars we can install these, so if you want to send me one, I'm down. Send me as many as you like. But I'm going to put this in the Jeep, and I'll show you guys how it came out when I'm done. Alright guys, my installation of the dash cam is complete. It came out pretty good. I was able to route the cable around, and there was plenty to reach the center of my Jeep, which works out pretty good. I got the app installed, and it works pretty good. It's already recorded some videos, and I'm pretty happy with that. As you can see here, it records the videos in 2-minute increments. I set it to 2 minutes. You can do 2 minutes, 1 minute, maybe 3 minutes, and it's just going to loop around and record. So far so good. If I get anything good, I'll show you guys and you know, show you some action from the dash cam. But until something happens, that's about all I have for you today. Thanks for watching the video. I look forward to making more this summer. Can't wait to get my Mustang out. So if you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.